guys, what's up? It's Franny, back at it with another video for you guys. Wow, that was very assertive. Today's video is going to be an updated skincare routine. I posted a skincare routine about 4 months ago on my challenge. Yes, this is because this is a challenge, yeah. I posted a skincare routine 4 months ago on my channel, but basically my skin, from when I did my skincare routine, it started to improve. Like, it was improving. The products I was using were good. They were helping my skin, but there has been a lot that I have learned about my skin, and I have changed a few products. I've kept some products that I want to share with you guys. I see you guys are even noticing, I see comments saying that, wow, my skin looks clear. What are you doing for your acne? And a lot of you guys want to see this updated skincare routine. So let's get on with the video. So a product that I still use to this day from my previous skincare routine, it is the Vanity Planet Ultimate Skin Spa Face Brush. So it is just an electric face brush. It really helps me with my exfoliation and taking off extra dirt on my face. So I want to tell you a little bit about this because this product, I'm telling you, has saved my life these past 4 months, and I'm incorporating it all the time. So basically, this is the normal brush that already comes on it. It has 3 different brushes. So this is the normal brush that I normally use. There is a brush that is for more deeper exfoliation, and there is a softer silicone brush for sensitive skin, which I like to use throughout the week as well. It comes in this little case, which makes it extremely easy for traveling. Let me tell you, I'm leaving to New Jersey in a few days, and I pop this thing right in my carry-on, and it's good to go. So basically why I love this product so much is because at night when I'm taking off my full face of makeup, it really helps exfoliate and deep clean and get off all of the makeup, because going to bed, even with the slightest amount of makeup, will clog your pores, will cause acne, will cause breakouts, and I'm just so prone to that. So that's why this brush has helped me in that sense. So the brush also has 2 different speeds, has dual speeds. So the first speed is just normal speed, and then it goes a little faster. I usually use the faster speed at night when I'm completely taking my makeup off, because I just want to get all that extra makeup off. I do keep my brushes clean. That is like my biggest thing, is I try to wipe off as much makeup as possible. Well, I'm gonna explain it, but I literally wipe, wash, and then I use this thing because I don't want this to get dirty. All right, guys, so this face brush has been with me for the past 4 months. Go check out my last skincare routine, and I have it in there still, because using it has really helped my skin. I promise you, I promise. So since this product is an OG product on my channel and I just love it so much, I'm telling you, I've been using it for the past 5 months. It honestly has helped my skin so much. So like I said, since I love it so much, I'm gonna be giving you guys another discount code so you guys can go grab it and check it out. I'm gonna be leaving it all down in the description below, and the code will be Franny. I'm gonna do all the work for you. So I'm gonna have the code down there, I'm gonna have the link down there. All you have to do is click, and boom. So basically, I wanted to give you my little spiel on so now I'm gonna start talking about the actual products that I used on my face. So I have learned a lot about skincare in these past 4 months. My skin was suffering, and I was so tired of just always looking in the mirror and seeing acne, which is so normal. I feel like a lot of people look in the mirror and think acne is the most uncommon thing in the world, when acne is so common. 99% of people in the world have acne. Those percentages were literally out of my butt. I don't even know if those are right. If your skin's perfect, then you're so lucky. You're so lucky. You have been blessed with perfect skin. For me, it was kind of more is less. Wait, sorry, I totally said that wrong. Less is more. So I'm gonna start talking about the products and kind of, lay them out for you guys. Okay, so basically the product that I use morning and night, it is my Cerave Foaming Facial Cleanser for normal to oily skin. It looks like this. And you can buy this at any drugstore, Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid. It's inexpensive, and it is the most basic face wash, and that's what I needed. I think I was putting too many harsh chemicals on my face when my face didn't need it, but it was clearing up my skin. It was kind of like my skin was getting rid of the acne, and then my skin just started getting used to it, then it just kind of came back. So I use this in the morning. In the morning, I do not use the brush. I only use my face brush at night. But at night, that is when I use this on my face brush, and I exfoliate with the brush to get off any extra makeup on my face. So I'm gonna talk about the morning first. So yeah, so I use this in the morning with just my hands in the shower. And then right when I get out of the shower, I apply, so this is something that was in my last skincare routine. It is the Ole Hendrickson Truth Serum. I love serums. Serums really help with repairing the skin. Oh yeah, it has vitamin C in it, so it's really good with collagen boosting and, you know, keeping your skin looking fresh and young and hip and fancy and cool. So serums are always good for you. So I like putting that on. And then I have found, I think, my holy grail moisturizer. I have been through so many moisturizers because my skin is oily. I have combination oily skin. And just so you guys know, everything that I'm using in this video, it works for me. Skincare routines are so personal. You need to find the products that work well with your skin and, you know, help really keep the acne from coming back. So I think I found my holy grail moisturizer that I really do recommend to people that have oily skin or combination oily skin. And it is the Cetaphil Derma Control Oil Control Moisturizer. So it looks like this. It is for acne prone skin. And you can get this at Walgreens, Rite Aid, CVS, drugstore, and it has SPF 30. Having SPF in your moisturizer is very, I can't talk. Very important, especially in the mornings and you're gonna be outside or out and about. Your face is always in the sun. It's just very important. So yeah, this is literally a moisturizer that I can honestly say has not broken me out at all. It helps control the oil on my skin. It doesn't make me shiny and super dewy. It works so well and it keeps my skin really moisturized and not looking too dry or anything. It's like the perfect moisturizer. And then normally, I don't even know why I'm putting this in here, but I want to. So basically I put Vaseline on my lips, always at the end in the morning, because Vaseline's the best, but you know. So yeah, so that's basically my morning routine. You see, like I feel like I started to use so many less products and I see that it's helping me a lot. So now for my nighttime skincare routine, basically I use the Cerave on top of the brush, and then when I'm done using that, so basically at Sephora, you know how like when you hit a certain amount of points you get samples. So they basically had this Retinol Youth Serum Murad. They have these in little samples. I got like 5 of them because I've been wanting to try it. I just forget to go buy it because it's not something like on my list like of going to buy. So I saw this and they're like, do you want to renew your points? I'm like, yeah, give me 5 of these little things. I am telling you guys, I wish I knew more about it, but basically a retinol in a serum, this is a retinol serum, like the serum that I was using in the morning. It just helps repair your skin. Like that's all I know about retinols and serums. They just help repair and restore your skin for any like scarring or, you know, things like that. And this has helped my skin so much at night. This one you want to use at night because I think it's a little, not too harsh during the day, but you want to avoid being in the sun. And it's just better when you're sleeping and at rest and have it on your face. And then I apply my Origins High Potency Night Amiss Face Moisturizer. So this is something that was in also my last skincare routine video. And I love this moisturizer. I am always scared of using thicker moisturizers because, like I said, I have combination oily skin. So when I use products that are a little thicker, I get nervous that I'm gonna break out. But I've learned that when your skin is really dry, that's when you start producing more oil. So I use this night cream from Origins and it's very mineral enriched. It's very thick, it's really nice, but it is so good for oily skin. I'm telling you guys, if you have oily skin and you want like a thicker, nicer face moisturizer, I recommend this one so much. So yeah, so when I put my face moisturizer on, I use the Origins Eye Doctor Moisturizer from around my eyes. This is also previous skincare video. I just want to tell you guys the things that I've kept because these are OGs and they're awesome. Yeah, I just apply it right after my moisturizer. I apply right around my eye up to my brow bone and same. And I always go inside towards the tear duct. Apparently that is how like the blood or something, that's how it's circulating around your eyes. And if you go the other way, you're gonna mess something up. Like I said, guys, I'm not a professional, but I did my research and this is what the majority say and doctors online say. And finally, the last step for my skincare routine at night is if I have any blemishes or any breakouts, it's basically like a spot treatment, and it is the adult Acnomel acne medication. And you can get it at CVS, Walgreens, Rite Aid. It's a drugstore product. I'm gonna try and find all these products online and link them down below for you guys so you guys can easily go and find them. But yeah, it's like a brown. So like when I put it on my skin, it kind of just looks orange and dark brown and discolored, but it helps dry up my blemishes so well. Literally that night or the next day, it will dry it up perfectly. Alright guys, so that's basically my skincare routine. Like I said, I'm gonna leave everything linked down below for you guys so it's easy to find. Go check out the face brush because I'm telling you, it's awesome. It's really helping my skin a lot. It's a game changer. Also guys, more merch. You know, if you wanna go check it out, I will leave that link down below for you guys because, you know, why not get yourself some Franny merch? But yeah, that's basically the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. I hope that you learned a little something. Like I said, I am not a professional. I am not an expert. I'm not a doctor. This is basically solely on my research and what's working for me. This might not work for you, but if you think you have similar skin to me and you want to give some of these products a shot, even the drugstore products, give them a shot and see what happens. You never know. Alright guys, give this video a thumbs up. Please leave a comment down below on any future videos that you'd like me to do. Put your push notifications on so when I upload my video, y'all can just click on it right away. You'll get that notification and you can watch it right away. Don't forget to subscribe and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!